quick Dasher update. I Doordashed today, and it was a snowstorm, and I dashed for like 3 hours total, probably, and it was like 11 to 12, 1. Oh no, I only dashed for 2 hours, so it was like it was 11 to 1, and um, I'd say it went okay. It was it was really snowy out, which was scary. Like, I definitely need new front tires because my tires were, when I would accelerate, it was like I would spin and like drift sideways out of snowy parts. So it definitely was. I need to get new front tires because they are old and dangerous. So I made $37 in 2 hours and drove like 42 miles, I think. So $31. Not as good as my first night, but still earned 37 this night or this morning. I might go back tonight if it's busy again after I have Bible study, because I think it might be busy again because it's a snowstorm, or it's still snowy out, and it's Friday night. So I think if I go out tonight, I will have more stuff to do. So I've earned 91 net income, and it's around 112 like total. So, but subtracting the gas, it's 91, which doesn't make sense because that's 20. That's $21. Yeah, that makes sense. I probably used a lot of gas today because it was snowy, so I wasn't going as fast, and um, just drove a lot more today going places. The last one I went to was picked up something in Dunkin' Donuts and had to go all the way to Ashburnham to Cushing Academy, which is like 15 minutes on in good weather conditions. So it was like 25 minutes of driving. It's horrible. If I didn't do that, I probably could have stayed longer and um, got more stuff done. Like, I got to Cushing like 12:30, and I was like, yeah, no, I'm just going home now because it was just horrendous. So far, though, I definitely should get there like 10:30, 11, and if it's like, I would have stayed longer today if I didn't go to Cushing and my tires weren't super bald so that I was spinning out everywhere. It was just like I almost got in an accident like 3 or 4 times, just drifting into walls and stuff. Didn't drift in any walls, came very close though. Very close. Oh, also, snowstorms are definitely busy days. Like, I think it's still busy in Gardner. Yeah, it's slightly busy right now. So since I've been doing it this morning, like around 11, it's been busy, and it's 3 p.m. right now. So I'm thinking next snowstorm I'm going to get up, shovel, make sure I have good tires, and just stay out there all day, like 6, 7 hours, and I could do a lot of deliveries then, because I did 2 hours and got $37. So if I did 6, 7 hours, just triple that. So maybe $100 in one day, which is sweet. And I'm up to like, what am I up? 8 hours? 8 hours of driving. 91. Is that right? No. 2, 4, 7.5 hours for $91. Not great. I definitely need to go better times next week. This week I'm going to finish out the week and then leave a space. Here, I'll show you. So today is Friday, so Saturday, and then I guess I'll end the week on Saturday and then start the next week on Sunday. So I'll have two more spots probably. I'll probably go back tonight and then another spot for Saturday will be 1 week. Then I'll leave a space to like separate it, and then I will have a whole nother week for next week just to see the difference and see if my strategies and um, picking better times to go will increase profit or amount of dashes. But I'm pretty um, glad I went this morning because I figured out that snow days are definitely days you can earn a lot because there's not a lot of people, and a lot of people are ordering stuff and staying home. So I just got to get better front tires. I have an all-wheel drive car. It's just that my front tires are bald, so they try accelerating and tracking, but they're just sliding, which is not good. And my back tires are pushing, so it makes my car drift badly. That's pretty much it for this update, and I might add some. I might add some tonight if I go out tonight, but that'll be my first week of Doordash.